Dr. Michelle at Valley Vet, and today I'm going to talk with you guys about noise phobia, or otherwise firework fear. And we're going to go over 3 things today that you can do to help your furry friends at home if they do have the fear of loud noises, essentially. The first thing you want to do is find a place where they feel safe and comfortable. This usually is a room that either has no windows or limited window entries so that the noise is less in that area. Smaller areas tend to work a little bit better, so something like a small bathroom or a small like a laundry room, somewhere where your pet will feel safe and comfortable in their own environment. And in this area, go ahead and place any of their normal beds or bedding and any toys that would help them feel more comfortable during the noisy part of the night. The next tip that I like to do is have some type of enrichment for them during this time, and you really want to provide this experience prior to the noise starting, because once they hear that noise and the fear gets ramped up, it's very similar to pain. If you can control it before it happens, it's much easier to keep the levels lower, whereas trying to bring their fear down once they're at the height of that, it's very, very difficult. So some of these enrichment things that I like would be getting a Kong and filling that Kong with some type of food material like peanut butter, and then placing that in the freezer so that they have to essentially look at it for hours to be able to get the tasty treat. And so sometimes that can actually provide some animals with quite a bit of experience, and it will distract them from the noises at hand. The last thing is if option 1 or 2 have not worked for you, or if you know your animal just gets very, very scared, it gets anxious, it starts trying to run into things, scratching at things where it might hurt itself, there are a lot of medications that we can do to help alleviate the noise fear, essentially. And a lot of these, there used to be some old-time medications that would just sedate the animal. It didn't actually take away some of the fear, but nowadays we have some really great medications that are very, very safe. They're not going to knock your dog out. They're just essentially going to make your pet feel more comfortable in their own home, and we do have those available to any patient that we have seen in the past year. So what I would say is definitely give us a call. I know we're coming up on the New Year's here pretty soon, so if you have any questions or you want to go over any of those options again, please give us a call at 503-556-3084, and otherwise we'll see you at the clinic.